Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. So guys, we're gonna make some punch. This one is a little bit new. We're gonna make some carrot and Irish potato punch. Alright, we're gonna put some dragon and other stuff in it. Alright, so here I have some carrots and I'm gonna do about 2 Irish. Alright, I already started the process. Okay. And guys, please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. So you can cut the carrots anyhow because you're gonna blend them. All right, guys. Round, slant, anyhow you want. I'm also making some jerk chicken right there, guys. So. When they're tough and hard, guys, you don't have to throw them away. You can still blend them and make some juice. The one you saw hollow. Ooh, I'm gonna cut this one out. You just want it to cook for about, I say, 7 minutes, guys, and that's it. Let it cool. Alright guys, so we're gonna let this come to a boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm gonna turn the stove off, let it cool. When it starts to boil, I'll come back. Alright my peeps, so this is it. Look at it. I'm gonna put some dragon, nutmeg, cinnamon and all of these things. If you have nutriment, you can put it as well. Maybe I put a peanut punch or something. I'm not gonna open peeps, so I think I'm gonna stove not turn. I turned the stove off, guys, and that's it. I'm gonna let it cool down and I'm gonna come back and blend up everything. It's been in the fridge for overnight, as you can see. Carrot them without like this, yeah. All right guys, and now I have some vanilla, cinnamon, mixed essence. I'm gonna put half a dragon, thin milk or condensed milk, and some nutmeg. All right, let's get blended. I'm gonna blend in 2 batch or portion or whatever. You can blend liquid and everything. Oopsie. Oopsie. You have to see everything. Let me take it away. So this one is carrot and Irish potato blend. It's a strong back. Guys, I'm gonna blend. If you're lactose intolerant, guys, you don't have to use the canned milk. You can use some almond. I'm just gonna use a little bit of milk in it, and I'm gonna add some the dragon. Let me put the dragon. Let me put half of this. You can put the whole one if you want, guys. So that's good. At the same time, I'm gonna put everything in it. A little splash of mixed essence. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons vanilla. Oh, we have one something like this. We're gonna put a little bit of cinnamon powder. You can put about 1/4 teaspoon or half, it's up to you. I'm gonna put about 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg. All right, I'm gonna blend and then I think I'm gonna cut the milk. Let me blend it first. And you can put some ice. No, plug it in. All right guys, it's so quick. I'm gonna also put about 1/4 can of this milk, or maybe half. Let's do half. And then I'm gonna blend again. It's super thick. I'm gonna put some ice as well. Alright guys, this is how it's looking. It's super thick. You can put sea moss in it, guys. I don't have any. And I'm gonna pour it out here. It's thick, guys. I'm gonna add more water to it after. And I'm gonna blend up the rest. Alright, you can stop it now, babe. Alright, my peeps, I think I'm gonna use all of the dragon, so I'm gonna just put the whole bottle. You don't have to put none, you can put half or you can do it. And we're gonna blend again. Alright guys, this one is a little bit more thinner. I'm also gonna add a few cubes of ice. And then I'm gonna pour it over that one. Or you can just serve it over some crushed ice, it's up to you. I'm also gonna put about this amount of sugar, about 1/4 cup or a little bit more. Then I'm just gonna pour everything in it like that, like so. And then I'm gonna mix it up so you can get it. It's not too thick, not too thin. And this is my carrot Irish potato blend with some dragon. Just taste it. Guys, I think you want a little bit more sugar, but I'm not going to put any more, so you can go ahead and put some more milk, some more sugar. It's up to you. I'm going to serve this up as is. You can put a tablespoon of rum in it if you want. Serve it over some ice cube. Don't squeeze out this one. I don't know when I show. I don't like when I show some peel. I want light. Okay. Alright guys, let's pour some here. Perfect. And in these, all right, my peeps, and this is it. This is my carrot Irish potato punch. It's a strong rock, yeah, because I put oh guys, you know what you could have put in there? Some peanut, some raw peanut as well, or peanut punch or nutriment. All right, and you can also put some sea moss gel. All right, so this is another version of the Jamaican strong rock, but this is carrot and Irish. All right, and this is it, guys. All right, love upon me and I love upon you. I'm gonna give it a taste as well, but let me take some pictures. All right guys, this is it. Let me have a taste. Oh god, look at the honey. Look at the honey right there. Let me have a taste of this one. Oh my, it's so good. All right guys, you have a good day. Bye guys.